Good morning everybody, hope you're good champions. I just rented a motorbike, hopefully I will survive. Look at the roads here, and we have left-handed road traffic here. Shit, it's so crazy here. Fuck that, yesterday I burned my skin. I had the breakfast actually, and right now I'm looking for a supermarket to get a cream for after sun. It's so unhygienic here. Champions, look at this petrol station. 20 rupee 1 liter it should be. Let me show you the supermarkets here. I'm here for a cream, hopefully I'm gonna take the right one. Nutella you can find here. Chips. But I didn't saw so much chips everywhere. They're selling chips here. Let's take some cookies, I would say. Champions, I'm the full day at my apartment because I'm fucked up. My skin, as you see, red, and the neck as well red. Here's my bed, and there's my stuff. I'm gonna take that drone here, that small sweetie piece, and we're gonna fly here in, I forget the island how it's called. Let me check it. The island called Lembongan. So we fly here. Honestly, I think I will not make much pics from the top, videos from the top, but this is one where I don't have anything to do. And yeah, this sun is going down. As soon as the sun going down, well, there's the time I'm going out for eat something. And the food as well is here creepy as well. The island, there's nothing here. I've heard that I could do some snorkeling. I don't think that I can rent a boat or something like that. So there's almost nothing here to do. Just meditate and sit at home and swim. But the weather is very good. So let's fly around. I'll give you some pics from the top. Let's go.
And got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so